Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.